Good day, Madam, Sir. I'm Maritis Tuwilyara. I'm 44 years old, still single without kids. I graduate in Cabalong Western College with the course of Computer Secretarial. My first experience is in Taiwan, 11 years in semiconductor company. And after that, I decided to work in Hong Kong, Hong Kong. My first employer in Hong Kong is in Shatin. My duties is taking care of one small dog and also do household chores such as cooking, cleaning, laundry, marketing, ironing, and I also do car washing. My second employer is in Kai Tak. I experience taking care of children aged 3 years old and 6 years old. I bring them to school and I bring them to their activities. I also do household chores such as cooking, cleaning, marketing, and ironing. My third employer is in Tokwawan. I taking care one elderly, my popo, aged 84 years old. I gave her medicine and took her blood pressure every day, and sometimes I massage her softly. I also do household chores such as cooking, cleaning, laundry, and ironing. Um, to my future employer, thank you for hiring me and giving me a chance to serve in your home. I am hardworking, trustworthy, patient, and responsible. Thank you, Madam, Sir, and God bless.